What's up, guys? I just wanted to start off the video by saying that the title is 100% not clickbait. I'm really gonna show you guys how to get free playing cards. Let's get into the video. So how do you get free playing cards? The casino. Let me explain. In a casino, the cards are maybe used once or twice at the table games before they get changed out. So what happens to those old cards? They get boxed up and then they punch a hole right through the middle of the deck to ensure they can't be used in future play. And from there, the cards go to either the gift shop or to different security desks around the casino. All you have to do the next time you're at a casino is to go up to the security desk and ask for playing cards. And they'd be more than happy to give you a few decks. These are all the decks I got on my last trip. Thumbnail. Don't be afraid to ask for the playing cards because they're really trying to get rid of them. They just want to get them off their hands. And you're actually doing them a favor by taking them. Some of you are probably thinking, like, what if I don't live near a casino or I'm not 21 yet? How do I get my hands on used casino cards? The dollar store. Specifically Dollar Tree, I know for a fact, carries these babies. I have about 30 of these decks of cards from the dollar store, and I love them so much. I'm a huge collector, and I'm really trying to make an art piece with them too. If you guys want to see me do a full, extensive review of my entire casino playing card collection, let me know down in the comments. So that covers just about everything I wanted to cover in this video. If you guys really want to see all of my casino playing cards, just leave a comment down below saying, I want to see your casino playing cards, and I will make an awesome review showing you every single deck that I've collected. And if you found this video useful, click the like button for me, it really helps me out. I'll see you guys next time.